Here's your Q2 Week 3 work. This week we're focusing on rights of the accused. So those are the accused of crimes. What rights do they have under the Bill of Rights, under the first 10 amendments? So here's your assignments. Of course, starting off, you've got your review from last week. So again, make sure that you're filling out this document and be as specific as possible, again, so I know you watched the video. Okay. All right. Second thing is are the reading notes. You can either do your own reading notes. By the way, if you're in CCP government, it's chapter 4. If you're in AP government, it's chapter 16. Because we use two different books there. So you can use the regular standard reading notes, or you can do the questions. It's up to you. But these questions apply to both chapters, chapter 4 and 16. Okay, the third assignment is for you to review and go through the various amendments of the Constitution, the 4th, the 5th, the 6th, and the 8th, that deal with the rights of those that are accused of crimes. Okay, so for each amendment, I need you to go to, there's a link here, that'll take you to the National Constitution Center's Interactive Constitution, and it takes you to the actual wording of the amendment. So I want you to, in the chart, just summarize it, put in your own words. What does this amendment mean? If you need to find out more information, each one of these links has an article and some interpretation of some of the experts there of what it means. So you can use that if you want, but again, make sure you put it in your own words. Then the bottom part, there's a case, Supreme Court case, essential Supreme Court case for you to watch. There's a video on a case that further clarified what these amendments mean. So what I want you to do is watch the video and then go over here and tell me what was important about the case. Okay. All right. And then you've got a fourth assignment to watch this frontline program. This is a program called Death by Fire, and it's a documentary about this guy who was accused of lighting his house on fire, arson, and killing his 3 children. He got the death penalty in Texas. This video takes a look at whether or not he was guilty or not guilty. So I'll let you decide whether or not he's guilty or not guilty. But do me a favor, watch the whole video and withhold your judgment until you get all the way to the end. It's about, what is this video? About an hour long, 55 minutes long. So then there's some discussion questions that go along with it. Okay, next week what you're going to do is you're going to write a position paper on the death penalty. You're going to tell me if you think it's constitutional or unconstitutional. Okay, but you'll use this information from this video in that assignment. So we'll do more with that next week. All right, again, if you have any questions, please email me or come into office hours in the morning from 8 to 8:50.